Going to toss number 16, Blanchard for a touchdown.
Fumble on the play. Ford's pass. Number 15, Newsom, up the middle for a touchdown. That's going to be a 14-yard.
Well, it means a lot to set the tone early. You know, we come out here, we play hard, and if we set the tone early, we're going to have a good team. It's going to be a good game. So we come out here, just set it early from the jump.
Talk about just your defense just dominating the way like that.
Our defense, well, I don't think nobody worked harder than us all year. And we came out here, they've been talking stuff, we ain't said nothing back. So we just came out here and just played our game. And we dominated them from the start, and we did it all game.